What is happening in the tech world right now? You are watching Microsoft Sphere, your ultimate source for breaking news and deep dives into the tech universe. We're bringing you the hottest updates as they drop, so buckle up because the news cycle is moving at warp speed, and you absolutely do not want to miss what's next. We've got game-changing software releases, critical security updates that affect millions, and incredible deals that redefine value. Plus, we're looking at how global communication is getting a massive upgrade. Get ready for an information rush that'll keep you ahead of the curve. Don't go anywhere. It's all coming up right now on Microsoft Sphere. First up, Microsoft Edge is rolling out a massive update with version 140, packing serious new features designed to boost your security and productivity. We're talking about a brand new Scareware blocker that uses AI to protect you from nasty scams, an HTTPS first mode to keep your browsing secure by default, and automatic saving for your tab groups so you never lose your workflow. This is a significant leap forward for your daily browsing experience. Next, a critical alert for all administrators managing Azure DevOps. Microsoft Entra is making a significant change to how conditional access policies are applied, and if you're not prepared, you could be exposing your systems to risk. We'll break down exactly what you need to do to ensure your sign-ins remain secure after September 2nd. And finally, we've got a deal that sounds too good to be true. Microsoft Office for Life, and it's cheaper than a single year of Microsoft 365. We'll tell you all about this incredible lifetime license offer. Plus, get ready for a global communications revolution as Infobip expands its SMS availability to over 100 new countries through Microsoft Azure Communication Services. Stick around, hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and let's dive in. Microsoft Edge 140 is here with a powerful new Scareware blocker. This update introduces an AI-powered Scareware blocker designed to protect users from malicious tech scams that trick you into calling fake support lines, potentially leading to remote takeover. If a suspicious site is detected, Edge will warn you and block access. The Scareware blocker isn't on by default. You can find it in Edge's settings under Privacy, Search, and Services Security. This release also brings back HTTPS first mode, automatically upgrading your connections to secure HTTPS whenever possible, and warning you if a site doesn't support it. Furthermore, Microsoft Edge 140 now automatically saves your tab groups, allowing you to seamlessly resume your browsing sessions after restarting the browser. This feature is also manageable for administrators via policy settings. There's also a mention of AI features like GPT-5 integration for Copilot and media generation using DALL-E 3 and Sora, though the focus here is on the enhanced security and user experience. Users are buzzing about the new security features, especially the Scareware blocker, with many praising Microsoft's proactive approach to online threats. The autosave for tab groups is also a highly requested feature that's finally here. Don't go anywhere, because the security implications of our next story are massive. We're diving deep into a critical Microsoft Entra update that administrators absolutely must act on. Administrators, listen up. A crucial change is coming to Microsoft Entra Conditional Access Policies for Azure DevOps. Starting September 2, 2025, Microsoft Entra will stop applying conditional access policies through Azure Resource Manager for Azure DevOps sign-ins. This means policies you rely on might stop protecting your Azure DevOps environment if you don't take action. To ensure continuous security, you must update your policies to explicitly include Azure DevOps, App ID 499 B84AC 1321-427, FOS 17-267, cost $6,975,798. If you are currently using policies that target the Windows Azure Service Management API, App ID 797 F4846, BA00-4 FD7 BA43 DAC 1 F8 F63013, these will no longer apply to Azure DevOps logins after the deadline. This could leave your sign-ins unprotected, potentially allowing unauthorized access. The only exception is if you have a broad policy that applies to all users and all cloud apps without explicit exclusions for Azure DevOps. You can monitor login activities using Microsoft Entra ID login logs, and remember, Entra ID P1 or P2 licenses are required for these policies. The tech community is emphasizing the urgency of this update, with IT professionals urging immediate review and modification of their policies to prevent security gaps. Failure to act could lead to significant vulnerabilities. Stay tuned, because the next update offers incredible value that might just change how you think about software ownership. We've got a deal on Microsoft Office that is truly unbelievable. Get ready for a deal that redefines software value. Microsoft Office for Life is now cheaper than a single year of Microsoft 365. With Microsoft 365 costing $99.99 per year and requiring continuous payment, the long-term cost can skyrocket. Now, you can opt out of the subscription cycle entirely. Microsoft Office Home and Business for Mac 2021 is available with a lifetime license for just $59.97, down from its regular price of $219. This one-time purchase gives you perpetual access to the full suite of Office applications on a single Mac, without the worry of recurring fees, unexpected price hikes, or disruptive interface changes from constant updates. It's a fantastic opportunity for those who prefer a stable, predictable software experience and want to avoid the ongoing costs of subscription services. This offer is particularly appealing for users who value stability and long-term cost savings over the latest, often subscription-based, features. The sale ends September 14th, so act fast. This offer has generated significant excitement among users tired of subscription models, with many calling it a game changer for personal and small business productivity. But the innovation doesn't stop there. We're also looking at how global communication is expanding at an unprecedented scale. Get ready for a massive boost in international SMS capabilities, thanks to Microsoft Azure Communication Services. Infobip and Microsoft Azure Communication Services are joining forces to bring SMS to over 100 new countries. This powerful integration expands Infobip's advanced SMS interface, connecting businesses with customers globally through Microsoft's robust communication platform. This collaboration unites Infobip's extensive carrier network and compliance expertise with Azure Communication Services, enabling businesses to send secure, high-quality, and compliant messages worldwide. It's particularly crucial for critical communications like authentication, real-time alerts, and notifications. The Infobip Messaging Connect integration simplifies carrier management via APIs, ensures regulatory compliance, and improves message delivery rates, offering streamlined operations and valuable real-time analytics. This partnership aims to simplify customer engagement, making it easier for businesses to deliver seamless interactions and drive impactful conversations in an increasingly automated world. Industry analysts are hailing this as a major step forward for global enterprise communications, predicting a significant impact on customer engagement strategies worldwide. And that wraps up our news for today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. And that's a wrap on today's Microsoft Sphere. We saw Microsoft Edge 140 land with a new Scareware blocker and tab groups autosave. We've got a critical heads-up for administrators on Microsoft Entra Conditional Access Policies for Azure DevOps. You can now get a lifetime Microsoft Office license for less than a year of Microsoft 365, an incredible deal. And Infobip is massively expanding SMS availability in over 100 countries via Microsoft Azure Communication Services. If you haven't already, smash that like button, subscribe to Microsoft Sphere for all your essential tech updates, ring that notification bell so you're the first to know, and drop a comment below telling us which story you found most impactful. You can also follow us on all our social channels for more insights. We'll see you next time.